Okay, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Since you're gonna retire at 80, you say you stopped racing at 70.
Yeah.
What made you stop racing?
Because I was 70 years old.
Oh, well.
Reflex was slow. You know, then I had a good motor, but my reflex was slow. You know, you can't beat Mother Nature time.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I've been racing since 55. So, you know, don't you think that's a long stretch?
Yeah, that's a long stretch. yeah.
And within the top three when it happened, the first guy beat me, you know what I'm saying, on the dresser was Big Fred from Rare Breed. He was the first to beat me. You know what I'm saying? And then he had to go spend a whole bunch of money to beat me. I went up his back like a window shade before that. You know what I'm saying? And I sent him back. Pee Wee, I beat him. And, you know, I got way more wins than I have losses.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And all the boys who want to go fast, they come out from under me. They want to see if they could do it like I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions, Ron?
Yeah.
Nah, happy birthday, see you on Saturday.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Sure.
Question: how big was your motor back then?
Yeah. Huh?
How big was your motor back then?
Back then, I used to run 80 stroker with flat top piston, and I didn't have to put no 16th of an inch plates underneath of the barrel. So they thought I was running 74, and I run 80. You know what I'm saying? I would all come out from under Tom Sipton. Tom Sipton built my Sportster. I got a blueprint on Droopy that Tom Sipton built. Yeah. Al was I got a man you see sitting on my Sportster. He
The old white man?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
that was
I saw
my
that.
mechanic.
Oh, okay. I wonder why that man was there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, he said everybody was trying to do it. Cause the time when I beat Nettie, you know what I'm saying? He had Rich had built a motorcycle for him. He come down there and I rode him, pieced the way out, going to Highway 5. I run up his back like a window shade. Froggy and all them was with him. You know what I'm saying? I run up his back like a window shade.
Wait, you was riding old bikes and they was riding new bikes?
Yeah.
And you still did him that way?
Yeah. I bought Droopy. It's a 1964 Sportster, and I bought it in '65. You know what I'm saying? When I raced in Miss Lizzie, it was 1951, and I put a new, brand new 1967 engine in it, because it was Chevrolet, and I put that in it, and so you know, from that day to this day.
So when he ran up on you on a newer style bike, did he have, what kind of motor was he working with then?
He was running on lowrider. You know what I'm saying? You remember when Nuka had that lowrider?
Yeah, we got on 152.
Yeah, I was on 152. You remember I went up his back?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like a window shade. You know what I'm saying? Too.
Yeah, which they go fast. Yeah.
They didn't know what to do with me. I beat him in the guy. Stopped. You know what I'm saying? All the races that come up, I knocked a lot of them off. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay.